There was actually a point there where I was going to leave NT and go to Wakas because I was pissed off with all our tutors.
Kia ora.
Oh, I want to get my new Motorola.
This one's...
The teenage mom ones. Hello.
Kia ora.
It's Motorola.
Ko roa mātou ko taku whānau e haere mai ana ki tēnei wharekai Vietnam Cafe i Otahuhu. I au e tamariki ana ko David Tua te tangata I hiri mai I taku whānau ki tēnei wāhi kai.
Ko ia tō papa?
Oh, I wish. O kare te mohi o koe taku papa, te rapia. Aua. Nā, koe anō koe te tehi o ngā hoa o taku māma.
David Tua.
Ai. So I haere au ki te kura I Otara, I ahau e tamariki ana ki Piripono. Tai noa ki te kaumarua tau, ka tahi au I whakawhiti atu, I Hoari Waititi Marae. Ko te taha aho matua I ako au I taku tainga atu ki Hoari Waititi, I a mātou Piripono I te waiata mātou ki a Ihu Karaiti. So I ahu a rangirua au I taku haerenga atu ki Hoari Waititi, I was like, hey, I o matua kore, hea, what?
As long as it's rangirua, not wairangi.
Well, that's right.
Kia ora.
Kia ora.
Thank you. Better than handsome,
Thanks.
that's for sure. Whoa, e whā ki ia o tāua. Thank you very much.
Tēnā koe.
Mauri ora. Rua nake ngā kura kaupapa?
Ai.
Toru rānei.
Oh!
I whakawhiti atu koe ki te arawa waka, te arawa tangata, te arawa e.
Oh my God, okay, me kōrero pono hau.
Why?
Yeah, I was naughty. My mum. I haere au ki Waititi. I roto au I te reanga Pohutukawa, I think.
Fourth form?
Fourth form, yeah. Bit naughty. I don't know why, honestly. Hea te taki naughty au.
Like, what kind of naughty?
Mō me hikareti naughty.
Oh.
I tahai au I te earrings.
When farmers was our mecca, places, nah.
Yeah.
Nah,
And
we've
they were
never afforded farmers.
$7. I don't know why I done it. I think I was just being cool. I actually don't know why I smoked. I pūtu taku mama. I hau ki te kura o Ruamata. Mō tētahi wahanga.
Tētahi wahanga.
Yeah, but it done so well that I came back to Waititi and then I was a prefect and everything after that. So making me go down to that kura and sending me out of Tamaki was the best thing she could have ever done.
He ua ne, te tipu ake I tētahi wāhi katai koe ka hunaku. I haere au ki te kurukapa Māori o Puai mo tētahi wānanga. I pērā hoki au. Hoki mai.
Kia te taki haere pērā atu koe.
Te mei mate taku tingane.
Right, sorry about that. You know what? I said it and then I ware au.
Aros!
I'm at an age now where I'm really only doing hakas now because I want to be with everyone. It's not because I love hakas. And so if
What
I
about
was...
the competition side?
Oh, like I'm out to kill, absolutely.
Oh, yeah. I'll say, hey,
that'll never change.
cut it out.
There was actually a point there where I was going to leave NT and go to Wakas because I was pissed off with all our tutors. When you're in kapahaka with your best friends, it's a lot. Like, I love them, but I also want to hit them
They
sometimes.
treat you like shit.
Yeah, well...
Nah, I'm not even in that, but yeah.
I'll never leave my kapa. It's one of those love-hate relationships.
You're a sister.
Oh, thank you very much.
It is a love-hate relationship, eh?
But with NT, even if you leave, you never ever leave because you end up helping, so who knows?
Ira ki
You
tō
know?
hoa,
Ai,
Marina.
tō tuakana.
Ai, amu, hoki mai.
Ia te wā.
Mount Rushmore of
Yes.
te ao haka. Ko ai o tino kai haka.
I have a huge respect for Mirihari
Oh, yeah.
because she's just goatee. I'm going to be biased and say one of our own, Ani Tōpapa.
Yes.
Absolutely
He
beautiful.
te moe kaitau katoa, I runga I taku hoa.
Kia te waitai. She's beautiful to watch. Girls always got way more pressure, and I have a lot of respect for males who can actually do it all. Because a lot of males shortcut, and if you watch videos and they cut their mouths, then they're shortcutting, you know, I've got a thing.
When they're doing the haka and they go, and they're sticking their tongue out, kei hokapu.
What's her name? The fire. She was on Wakahuia. Kristen.
Oh, I didn't
Oh no,
shake my
it was
face.
Fia. Kate's older sister.
I haven't watched those years.
Yeah, you're
Vicky.
too tamariki.
Yep. Is it different now that, you know, the hauora's a bit better? Is it, you know what I mean? Like,
Yeah.
was it harder before than it is now? Or
That's, I'm just going to eat this. I can eat.
yeah.
I was at F45 fiend. I don't know. It was just like F45
That
days.
F45.
Yeah. It was like I found something for me. But yeah, I went from 120 to like 76 kgs, I think. But to the point where people thought I was on crack though. I'm like, you can't win. You fat. They're like, oh,
That's what
you're
they
fat.
all say, eh?
That's right, you're a bit chubby, and then you lose weight, and then they're like, far, are you on crack? I'm like, what? You can't win.
Maybe what are 3 things that you want to, like, specifically that you want to take that your mum gives you?
I love my mum so much.
Or sacrifices?
Yeah. Oh my God, I think I'm gonna cry. When you've been raised by a mum in Auckland by yourself, oh my God, I'm totally crying.
And I am too, this is too much. This is the
And because my mum done it by herself, like we lived out south and everything, the stuff that she's managed to do is amazing. Like she bought a house, like raised me, has helped us, comes up for the kids. But yeah, if I could, oh my God, if I could take anything, it would be that to just be there for my kids the way mum is for me. Just always treat people the way you want to be treated. And I can't say that I do that because I know I can be a bit abrupt sometimes. Of anything, it's just to make sure that I'm always there for my babies regardless of when they need me, no matter what I'm doing at the time or in the world. I just want to always be there for them when they need me, and that's what my mum still does to this day. Oh, shit.
This was a love letter to whaia tōna i te whānau.
Absolutely. I don't know a dad or a kuru. I don't know male influences. I only know my mum. A lot of female energy, put it that way.
Beautiful. Well, I'm sure your mum's very proud of, I mean, it's so awkward to talk to you about these things, but, you know, 4 granddaughters, you know, all the mahi done.
4 granddaughters.
Getting whiroki on your own. She's like, yes, that's my girl. Yeah. That's my girl. She came out of here. Love to whaia, love to the mamas, the skinny mamas, the fat mamas, the single mamas. Love to you all.
Absolutely.
Hai mārire.